Belle and Donnie, mga kaibigan, magkakasama kagabi sa Net Makabata Anak TV Awards. Kaya narito po mga kaganapan, Donnie were found na nag-hi and hello sa mami ni Belle nung dumating sa event area. Itong si Belle Mariano, mga kaibigan. Kagabi po ay ginawaran ng Makabata Anak TV ang mga pili-piling artista, mga kaibigan. So alamin na natin kung sino ba ang nakapasok sa Anak TV Awards na nagkaroon pa ng pagkakataong magbigay ng speech para sa kanilang pagkapanalo. Balita ko, kasama dito si Robby Domingo, Alexa Ilacad, Belle Mariano, Donnie Pangilinan, and Kylie Chari. Narito po ang mga detalye ng pagkapanalo nila, mga kaibigan. Let's go and watch this. Yes, una dito ay ang pagkapanalo ng isang congratulations to Mika and Brent Manalo on receiving the Net Makabata Star Award. Your inspiring work is a testament to your dedication. Continue to shine, Milk Print. Congratulations to Mika Salamanca and Brent Manalo on that one. Congratulations to JM Fiang, Net Makabata Awardee. For being one of the winner of Net Makabata Award to JM Ibarra and Fiang Smith. Congratulations to Kai Montinola, our 2025 Female Net Makabata Star Awardee. This award is more than just a title. It's a reflection of your heart, your kindness, and the genuine impact you've made on the younger generation, Kai Montinola. Next is Will Ashley and Bianca De Vera for this achievement milestone unlocked to the both of you on your award as the Net Makabata Star 2025. Ayan. Ito po, kaya congratulations my darling Kai Montinola. You deserve this award, proud of you. To more awards in the future.
Baguhan po ako sa industriyang ito, so this is my very first Anak TV Award. So thank you so much for believing in me that I stand for this. And as someone who is a part of the youth, I'm very thankful that I'm also someone the youth looks up to. And honestly, it's a privilege to be looked up to. Kasi at my age, not everyone gets the privilege to be appreciated the way I do. And in my job, in my line of work, I do what I like to do as a celebrity. But I realize that it is more of a responsibility in my place as well to influence the youth for the better. And I thank my parents because without their support and for their nurturing, I wouldn't have become the person I am. Again, there is no youth without parental guidance. It starts at home. And to every parent listening right now, take care of our children, and I hope that the future will be for the better. That's all. Thank you.
Yan, that's Kai Montinola, Female Youth Awardee. Congratulations to Rain and Kai for receiving Net Makabata Star Award, established to honor and celebrate artists, positive online influencers, and digital creators who use their platforms to inspire, educate, and promote kindness in the digital space, mga kaibigan. Ayan, proud of Miss Alexa Ilacad. Ayan. 3 times Net Makabata Star. Congratulations on your 3rd Makabata recognition, Alexa Ilacad. Next is, of course, we have Bini Aya, she was awarded as well last night. Huge congratulations. Makabata Awards are given to TV online personalities seen as genuine role models for kids and families, and Aya is one of those.
Anak TV for choosing me as one of the Makabata Stars awardees. Thank you so much. I'm grateful and blessed for it. And this recognition allows me to keep doing my best to be an inspiration to the youth and to everyone who listens.
Ayan, that is Miss Aya Arceta, mga kaibigan. Meron din dito, ayan, the Net Makabata Artists. Sino pa ba? Nakita natin kasi si Bel Mariano and Donnie Pangilinan, mga kaibigan. So we'll give you the details kung ano nga ba ang napanalunan ng dalawang ito from the Net Anak Makabata. Dami ditong nag-congratulate kay Mel, Amika, and Brent, mga kaibigan, JM, and Fiang. Sa pagkapanalo nila, and kay Montinola as well. So yes, sila po ang mga nanalo sa Net Makabata Awards. And narito po ang speech ni Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano sa pagiging isa sa awardee ng Net Makabata 2025 po, mga kaibigan.
You're valued and you will always be.
Maraming salamat po sa Anak TV. To be honest, bago pa po ako sa industriya, so isa po ito sa mga unang parangal na natanggap ko. And I know my future self will look back to this day and this award, so maraming pong salamat. Ang mapapangako ko lang po sa lakip ng parangal na ito is pagbutihan pa ang trabaho namin bilang isang aktor at maging mas magandang influensya sa mga kabataan. Maraming pong salamat.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good morning po to everyone. Of course, thank you Anak TV so much for this acknowledgement. Lagi po ako nagpapasalamat dahil sa trabaho na meron ko ngayon. I know it's both a blessing and a privilege to be able to inspire through something that I have so much love and passion for. Lalo na po para sa susunod nating generation. With everything that's happening in the country, I think now more than ever, it's important to think about what we can leave behind for this generation and where we can lead them. Isa lang po gusto kong sabihin, buksan na po natin yung mga mata natin ngayon to make sure that the children can wake up to a better future. Thank you po.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga. Una-una, thank you Anak TV for this recognition. I'm truly humbled. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually an ate of 4 younger children, and children are really close to my heart. So I will continue to do my best to show everyone that I'm gonna inspire the younger generation, that I can set a good example because children are really close to my heart, and yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Bago po sa inyong lahat, ako po ulit si Anak Kailangan, and I'm so happy to be standing in front of everyone here today, and I'm so honored and happy as well to receive this recognition. I've noticed na pabatapol ang audiences natin, and I actually have a 3-year-old niece. And my niece is an expert on the iPad, as in, mas magaling pa po siya sa mother ko sa pagkalikot ng TV at ng mga gadgets. And in line with this, na-realize ko po how exposed our children are to all sorts of media, which is why I see Tourette as a celebrity and as an influencer as well. I will try to use my platform to provide a safe space and a happy space for our children today. And again, I would just like to thank again Anak TV for this recognition, and to all of my supporters for believing in everything that I stand for. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po Anak TV. I'm very humbled and blessed to finally receive this in person. Since previous years, wala po. Maraming salamat po for this recognition once again. I grew up in a household where we only had 30 minutes of screen time every day as a child, and they were very strict with that. And I finally understood why. They really forced us to play outdoors, and really make most of the world we live in. And today, I can only imagine how it must be as a child to have everything in the palm of your hands and to see how much of the world is so messed up and how much of the world is being affected by everyone's actions. So I think it's very important that we tell the youth that they are the next voice, the next generation. Sa lahat po ng kadiliman, sa lahat po ng pagkukulang ng ating gobyerno, sa lahat ng corruption, sa lahat po ng kalamidad, we must always know that there is still hope because nandito po ang kabataan natin, nandito po ang next generation. Kaya maraming salamat. Isang malaking blessing po ito. And this whole establishment means so much to the Philippines. So, I just want to say to the youth, check up on your friends, please. You never know what people are going through. And if I may say, you are loved, you are valued, and you will always be enough. Maraming salamat po. So God bless you.
Ganda naman ito. Kailangan na kami sa'yo. Pwede pala bagabang dito. Itayin mo ba? Sa 11. Congrats, Ben.